No. Rudy here is having a monster meltdown. Just another moment in a parent's life.
I wanted to go to the community center. I don't want it to be closed today. I want to go inside, and I want to do art inside.
This happens when little monsters are still learning to handle big feelings. First thing I do is make sure Rudy is safe and can't hurt himself. Okay, all right. He's safe. Now I'll give him some time for his body to calm down before I try to help him name his feelings. First, I need to calm my body down. Sometimes us parents just gotta wait it out. Now that his body's a little calmer, I can start helping him name his feelings. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Can you try to use words to tell me how you're feeling? Yeah, well, why don't we try doing some belly breaths? That usually helps. All right, you remember. Slowly breathe in. Like that, and slowly breathe out. Another one. Okay, that's good. I feel good. Now, can you use words to tell me how you're feeling?
Well, my body was all shaky.
Shaky? Yeah. Yeah, I understand you were feeling disappointed because the community center is closed. I feel disappointed too sometimes when I can't do something I want to do. But you know, buddy, we can try doing something else, though. We could, I don't know, color at home, say, or we could sit on that bench over there and read a storybook.
I think I just want to color at home, Daddy.
Color at home?
Yeah.
Great choice. Bring it in. That's good. Monster meltdowns happen, and we can get through them. Come on, buddy. Coloring it is.
Yeah.
Got any good ideas?
I think so.
What do you got?
I want to make a kitty cat.